Okay, our topic for today is technical training in electric vehicles, focus on Proton vehicles. My name is Muhammad Farizul Hakimi bin Ahmad Nazri and my partner is Nur Anati Fahana binti Muhammad Fazil. So we will move on to the introduction. Let's start by understanding why electric vehicles are gaining so much traction today. Climate change is a major global challenge, and the transportation sectors play a significant role in contributing to a greenhouse emission. Electric vehicle, or we call it as EV, offer a clean and sustainable alternative. They produce zero type line emissions, meaning no harmful pollution are released into the air. This helps to reduce air pollution and combat climate change, making our cities and environment healthier. Globally, there's a growing awareness of the need for sustainable transportation. This is reflected in increasing demand for EVs. More and more people are choosing EVs for their daily commutes, recognizing their environmental and economic benefit. Proton is forefront of the EV revolution in Malaysia. We are committed in developing and offering high-quality, affordable EVs that are accessible to a wide range of Malaysians. Our focus is on building EVs that are not only environmentally friendly but also technologically advanced and reliable. We are continuously innovating and to improve battery technologies, enhance our performance, and ensure our EVs meet the need of Malaysian drivers. This training will equip you with the knowledge and skills to work effectively with the cutting-edge vehicle. Together, we can contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable future for Malaysia through the adoption of electric vehicles. Now we will move on to the uh, training objective of the training. Okay, I will pass to my partner Anaki Farah.
Thank you. Uh, Next, we jump to objective training. First, learn the core components of electric vehicle technology. This will make learner know battery technology and its function, electric motors and their working participant, power electronics and their role in managing energy flow, changing in infrastructure and its components, other key systems like terminal management and regenerative braking. Next, understand common faults and how to repair them. This section will focus on participants, especially of EV maintenance and repair participants will learn to diagnose common faults in EV components, identify troubleshoot issues with the battery, motor, and other systems, perform basic repairs and products, use diagnosis next use diagnosis tools and equipment to assess EV health. Follow the best practices for safety when working on your EV. Um, safe, Safety is a paramount when working with voltage, high voltage system. This part of the training will emphasize understanding and adhering to safety protocols, using proper personal protective equipment (PPE), handling high voltage component safety, response to electric emergency. Next.
Okay, now we'll move on to the electric vehicle mechanics. Now let's delve into the core component of electric vehicle. We start with the battery system, powers entire vehicle, use lithium-ion technology for energy storage. Yes, we know the battery system. Think of this as a part of the EVs. It stores the electrical energy that powers the vehicle. Most of EVs use lithium-ion battery technology similar to what you find in your smartphone, your laptop, or your now gadgets. The battery's capacity determines the EV range, how far it can travel on a single charge. So now we'll move on to the electric motors, which this is what convert electrical energy into motion, propelling the vehicle. Unlike traditional gasoline engine, electric motors are known for their efficiency, smooth operation, and high torque. This translates to a quiet and responsive driving experience. So the last is control system. Um, this is the brain of the EVs. It manages the flow of energies, control the function like acceleration and braking, and ensure overall vehicle performance. A sophisticated control system is crucial for optimizing energy usage and maximizing the EV's range. Imagine the battery as the fuel tank, the motor as the engine, and the control system are the computer that regulates the car's function. In an EV, these components work together seamlessly to provide an efficient and enjoyable driving experience. Okay, we will go to the next slide, which is the fault finding and repairs. Anati.
Uh, okay, we move to fault finding and repair. Imagine you driving your EV and you notice something is wrong. Maybe it's not charging as quick as it used to, or maybe you're not getting as much leisure as you should. What do? That's where fault finding and repair comes in. Common faults, issue. Just like a smartphone battery, your EV's battery can have a problem. It make lose capacity over time, leading reduced range. Sometimes there's could be issue with the low battery is charged. Motor overheating. Think of it like your car engine. If you push it too hard or it's not cooled properly, it can overheat. This can happen in EVs too, especially during heavy acceleration or hot weather. Control system error. The control system is like the brain of the EV. It manages everything from how much power goes to the motor to how the brakes work. If the system has errors, it can cause problems with the initial formation. Now, how do we fix this issue? Troubleshoot process. Step one, diagnosis tools. We have special tools that can talk to EV and tell us if there's any problem. This tool can read codes just like doctor use X-ray to see what's wrong with you. Step 2, analysis the symptoms. We need carefully observe what happened with the vehicles. It's charging slow. Is it lose power unexpectedly? These symptoms help us figure out the root cause of the problem. Step 3, repair or replace. Once we know what's wrong, we can fix it. This may involve replacing the faulty battery cell, repairing a motor compressor, or updating the software in the control system. Important things to remember: safety first. Work with high voltage system requires special training and safety precautions. Always wear the right protective gear and follow proper protocols. Concerning EV technology is constantly evolving. It's important to stay updated on the latest diagnostic technique and repair policy.
Okay, now we'll move on to the safety measures. Alright, let's talk about something critical, which is safety. Working with electric vehicles requires a different approach than traditional cars. Remember, EVs operate at high voltage. It means there's a potential risk of electrical shock and fire if we not be careful. Now, I want you to emphasize that safety should always be our top priority. But don't worry, by following the right procedures, we can ensure a safety working environment for ourselves and the vehicles. Okay, let's move on to the practice that's safe for the safety. Okay, now Rishabh, I need you to read 1 to 4 about the best practice for safety.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I need to read the best practice for safety for me, please.
Okay, best practice for safety person is always use insulated tools and safe disconnect the power supply before putting in stress. First, follow Proton safety protocols for EV delivery. In the last moment, return without comfort.
Okay, thank you for your help. Now we will talk about it. Use insulate tools and gears just like you wouldn't fix a leaky faucet with bare hands. We need to protect ourselves when working EVs. Always wear gear, always wear insulated gloves, safety glasses, and safety shoes. This will provide height barrier between you and the high voltage. Now we'll move on to the disconnect the power supplies. Before you start any repair or the maintenance, the first and most important step is to disconnect the power supply to the high voltage system. This is crucial to prevent any accidental electric shock. Then we need to follow the Proton safety protocols. Proton have established specific safety procedures for working on EVs. These protocols are designed to keep you safe and ensure the integrity of the vehicle. It is essential to follow these procedures to the letter. Never attempt repair without proper training. Okay? This means you need a proper training to repair it. If you don't have any experience, don't worry, we will give it to you. Working on EVs requires specialized knowledge and skills. Never attempt any repairs or maintenance unless you receive proper training and certification. Your safety and the safety of others depend on it. Remember, safety is not just about following the rules, it's about creating a culture of safety in our workplace. Let's always prioritize safety and work together to ensure a safe and productive environment for everyone. So we will move on to the next slide.
Okay, we will start activity quiz. First, I will give you scenario. The Proton EV abruptly reduces driving range and slow charging perform. No error code are displayed during the diagnostic. System health report battery health is a 7%, 72%, and the charging effect is below normal. There are three choice. I need to you think which one the suitable one and give the reason why. Anyone want to answer the question? Hello? Hafizul, can you choose one?
I would like to choose I think Muhammad Hafizuddin. Yeah. Hafizuddin, are you there?
Yeah, yeah, I'm here.
Okay,
Answer
can
between
you
A, B, C, yeah.
Yeah, answer the question and give the reason.
Okay, I think the best answer is A.
A, can you give me the
Battery
reason?
modules causing reduced capacity. It is simply because if the battery is aging, you need to replace the gradient models so that if the charging port is damaged, you need to inspect and repair or replace the port. It is also to make sure that it is also important to make sure that the cooling system uh, efficient, which is you need to clean and check the cooling components. Uh,
Oh, yeah, you get the right answer.
before we jump to next activities, I like to hear another answers from the another participant.
Mr. Faridul, can I answer the question?
Yeah, pardon me.
Okay, the answer is C.
Okay, the answer might be C. Yes. Why?
Because other than the cooling system also important because it will clean and check the cooling components to make sure it's in good condition.
I think I quite agree with you because our cooling system are one of our prioritized system in our EVs. So your answer and Apis answer are correct. So well, after hearing your explanation of the three of the answer, I will assume that you already understand our EVs car that we produce right now. So we will move on to the next activities, which is the activities role play. Okay, this activity will be conducted by Anati. So be ready.
Next, activity role play. We need three positive participants. Um, I will be customer. Another two is supervisor and technical. This a role for you can read the role over there. Uh, Example scenario is the customer report that their Proton EV is not clearing smoothly. Symptom reduced torque or cellular jerking during acceleration. Analysis to resolve error code uh, P0C73 battery temperature sensor modification. Okay. We need another two participants that can be a technical and a supervisor.
So Mona Lisa and Hui En, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so I need you, both of you to be one of you to be a technician and one of you to be a supervisor. Based on the example scenarios, I need you to help Anati as a customers to solve her problem. So we will give you in 5 minutes to think about the answers what you will give. So take your time first, then I will call your name for answer it. Okay? Okay? Time's up. Now we will start our activity role plays, which I will be the customer and Hui En will be the technician and Mona Lisa will be the supervisor. So we will start right now. So we let's start. Hi sir, my car isn't accelerating right. It feels like it's losing powers and sometimes jerks when I try to speed up.
Thank you for the information. Can you tell me more about when this start happening?
It's been happening for about a week now.
Technician, have you checked the diagnosis code?
Yes, supervisor. I'm getting error code P0673, which indicate a battery temperature sensor malfunction.
Can you explain the potential implication of this error code?
A fully battery temperature sensor can cause it accurate reading the incorrect battery management and regard performance.
Good. What are your next steps?
I will need to inspect the battery temperature sensor and wearing for any damage or losing connection.
So thank you for your help, technician. I hope my car will be in good condition soon. So that will be our end of our activity role plays. Now we will move on to the next slide, which is our summary. All right, well, let's recap what we've covered today. This training has given us a solid foundation in understanding and working with electric vehicles. At the point number one, we will explore the mechanics of the EVs. We learn that EV system consists of three components: battery, electric motor, and control system. The battery storage, the motor converts electrical energy into motion, and the control system manage the entire operation. So at the second point is fault repair. Common issues include batteries and motor problems. Next, we discuss about the fault finding and repair. We identify the common issues like battery problem, motor overheating, and control system errors. We also learn a systematic approach to troubleshooting using diagnostic tools, analyzing symptoms, and then repair or replacing faulty components. So, and the last bullet point is the safety. And finally, we emphasize the importance of the safety. Remember, the EVs operate at high voltage, so it's crucial to always prioritize safety. We discuss the importance of using insulated tools, disconnecting the power supply and following Proton safety protocols, and never attempting repair without proper training. So this training has equipped you with essential knowledge and skills to work effectively with electric vehicle. As remember, EV technology continues to evolve. It's important to stay updated on the latest advancements and the best practice. Okay, for conclusion, thank you for your participation. I'm confident that you will be valuable asset in the growing field of electric vehicle technology.